Alright, good day everyone, this is the voice of Coach D, and in this video I'll be showing you guys exactly how you can link your social media handles to Celeste. Now the reason for linking your social media handles to Celeste is for authentication. This is a means whereby Celeste can easily track the activities that you perform on their site, or the data activities that you perform for them. This enables them to track it and know that you actually perform those tasks. So you link the social media platforms that you know you will likely use to perform tasks on Celeste. Now let's go straight to the point. Linking of social media platform. So if you want to link it, you click on this three dash icon here, go to link social media icon. Now these are the options here. You click on link account here, this button, click on it. Now you see you can link your WhatsApp, you can link your TikTok, you can link your Snapchat, you can link your Facebook. Now to link it is very easy. All you have to do is to go to any of these social media apps. You go to your TikTok, you copy your link. For today's video I'll be using TikTok as an example. So I've already gone to my TikTok and I've copied my link to my TikTok. So I'll drop it here now. I'll paste it here. So as you can see, I've pasted my TikTok link here. You can also go to your Snapchat. If you know you're using your Snapchat to perform taxes on Celeste, you go to your Snapchat, copy the link to your account, paste it here. You go to your Facebook, copy the link to your account, paste it here. You on WhatsApp, you can see the template that they wrote here: http /wa.me/ your phone number. So you just write your phone number with 234 if you're from Nigeria, and with your country code if you're from any other country. Once you finish doing this, you click on save changes. Now as you can see, I have successfully linked my TikTok. So if I do the same thing, I'll link all these other social media platforms. So you can go ahead and perform this activity right now, so that once you perform tasks on Celeste, they'll be able to track it and know that yes, you have performed this task. So that's exactly how you can actually link your social media to Celeste. So if you gain value from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in my next video.